Vroom vroom. Welcome back to Cool Rides in New England. Today we're on the 7th video of the 60th annual Stowe Antique and Classic Car Show. Sit back and enjoy this video, and as always, please like, share with your friends and neighbors, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. First car we're looking at here is a 1961 Corvair Lakewood station wagon. This is awesome looking car. I've never in person seen a Corvair station wagon. See, this is a main car. Very nice. Now we're looking at a 59 Chevy Apache 31 fleet side, and look at that Indian motorcycle there. That is an amazing bike, and this is an amazing truck. You know, paint looks like it's fairly original. Chrome work is immaculate and really nice. Great looking pair. And here we're looking at a 59 Ford F100. Love the ghost flames on the hood of this truck. That is very well done. Very nice. This paint was awesome. Interior, really nice. Love the side pipes there. Great car. Now we're at a 59 Plymouth Belvedere convertible. Great color combo, that buttercream white interior with a little bit of black. Great looking 59 Belvedere. Now we're looking at a 66 Olds 98 LS, or a luxury sedan. Look at this car. This is the boat. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure this was built on the same chassis as Cadillac. Really nice car. This is I believe it's a pre-91 because it does not have an airbag. Fox body, 5-liter Mustang convertible. Aftermarket headlights on there. Looking good. Nice looking rig. Now we have a 56 Chevy. One of the Tri-5 Chevys. Nice paint job on it. I believe this would be a 210. I don't see anywhere where it says Bel Air, so I'm going to guess it's the 210. Nice. Now we've got a BMW 2002. This one is 76, and we're going to let the owner talk about that in just a second. How long have you guys had the car?
41 years.
About a new? Wow. And done much to it, or you just...
Change the exhaust. That's all you need to do to them.
Yep.
Right in the sloppy weather.
Yep. Oh yeah, definitely. No, it's a beautiful car. Now we're looking at a 71 Challenger RT. Love the seats in this. That's such a wild fabric combination, and as you can see on the window sticker, that was original to the car. Can you imagine buying this car for a little over $4 grand? Great color combination. Beautiful looking RT Challenger. '66 Pontiac GTO. This is another gorgeous car. I love the red pinstriping on it. Black on black. Looks like it's, I don't know, three, maybe a 4-speed. Probably a 4-speed. Another great car. 28 Dodge Brothers Standard 6. See there? 6-cylinder. A lot of these cars back in the late 20s were still running 4-cylinders, so this was definitely a little bit extra special from the others. And now we have a Ford Model T. I'm going to say it's a speedster. Just from the little bit of body there. Definitely it's not your typical T. Cool little car. 1936 Pontiac Master 6 Business Coupe, as you can see right there. These cars were made so that, luxuries for a businessman, huge trunk so you could put all of your salesman samples and all that stuff, sort of stuff in there. Great looking car. Now we're looking at a 1957 Cadillac 4-door. Love the pillarless, door between the doors, no pillars. That's a feature that I always like in these older cars. Give you that nice wide open feeling. It's great rear end. Just a couple of years before the iconic 59 came out. 1940 LaSalle convertible. It's another gorgeous car. Very interesting front end, a lot more subdued than other cars in the era. 1957 Nash Ambassador Custom. Interesting looking car, but definitely was spacious and luxurious. And we're looking at a C3 Corvette Stingray. This one is going to be a 74 to 77, somewhere in that age range, because of the front end and also the fact that it doesn't have the large glass rear end. Great looking C3 Corvette. 66 VW Beetle convertible. This would be a fun car to have on the day that we were there. It was quite warm, and would have loved to have go down the road in that. Now we're looking at around a 53 Chevy 3100 pickup. Other than the dash, it looks pretty original all the way around. But nice looking truck overall. Now we're back into Corvettes, another C3. Again, this is going to be a 74 to 77 because of the same reasons I gave for the other. This is the automatic. That other one was a stick car. Interesting how they're, these three were all, red, with the first one, of course, with a little bit of black. This is going to be an earlier C3. This ends up being a 68. 68 to 73 had slightly different front ends. 71, I'm sorry. These were great cars. Yeah. Pair of MG TD. If you recently looked at the Vermont Lake Regions Chamber of Commerce, there was a car fairly similar to this and that. These are great little MGs, 50s. This is a very interesting one. This is a Monarch. Monarch was Canada's Mercury. So this would have been a Mercury, I don't know, maybe Monterey. But this was Canada's Mercury. Front end definitely looks like a Ford Fairlane. Fun looking car. Now we're looking at a 57 T-Bird. Thunderbird for those who don't know what a T-Bird is, but I'm sure you guys all do. It's a great looking car. I love the red, white, and roof. Nice looking car. Now we're looking at a 48 Plymouth Special Deluxe. Parked next to that is a 46 Ford Super Deluxe. The 40s, everybody had to have something deluxe. And both these cars are quite beautiful for being 70 years old. I love the gumption of the owners to keep these things going. Beautiful. Now we're looking at a 55 Chevy 210. Again, another one of those Tri-5 Chevys. Just beautiful inside and out. Looks like it's been street rotted a bit. Doesn't have the original rims. Maybe some extra chrome. Now we're looking at Triumph TR3A. That'd be from 57 to 61 these were made. Nice, fun little two-seat roadster car. And finally for this video will be a 31 Model A Coupe with rumble seat. A lot of fun looking at these old Model A's. Alright, that's going to do it for this video, number 7 of the 60th annual Stowe Antique and Classic Car Show. Love these cars in this video. Love them, all of them. As always, if you like this, please give the thumbs up. Please share with your friends and neighbors. Subscribe to the channel. We're always looking for new subscribers, so you can keep up on all this. Plus, coming soon, once all these videos are done, some things are going to be coming up, so that being subscribed will help you be informed of all this the new stuff that's happening. We are also on all sorts of social media. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We have a blog. We're on Pinterest. All sorts of ways to keep track of the channel and everything else on it. And the information will either be up here or it will definitely be down in the description. So keep that in mind, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.